AI's design, are transported to the construction site. These components are designed to fit together seamlessly, like pieces of a giant puzzle.
Then, a fleet of robots and drones, guided by the AI's master plan, work in perfect synchronization to assemble the bridge. They lift and position heavy components, weld joints with laser precision, and pour concrete with automated systems, all while the AI monitors progress and adjusts the plan in real time to address any unforeseen challenges.
The advantages of AI-driven bridge construction extend beyond just speed. By automating the design and construction process, AI significantly reduces the need for manual labor, minimizing the risk of accidents and injuries at the construction site. This results in a safer working environment for all involved.
Additionally, the use of prefabricated components and AI-optimized designs minimizes material waste, contributing to more sustainable construction practices. Moreover, the speed and efficiency of AI-powered construction translate into significant cost savings. Less time spent on construction means lower labor costs, reduced need for heavy machinery, and fewer logistical challenges.
These cost savings can be passed on to taxpayers or reinvested in other critical infrastructure projects. The 24-hour AI bridge is not just about building bridges faster, it's about building them smarter, safer, and more sustainably.
As we stand on the cusp of this technological revolution, it's not difficult to imagine a future where AI transforms our world. The 24-hour AI bridge is just the beginning. This technology has the potential to revolutionize not just bridge construction, but the entire construction industry, from skyscrapers to entire cities.
Imagine a future where dilapidated infrastructure can be replaced overnight, disaster relief efforts are accelerated, and affordable housing solutions are built in record time. The possibilities are endless.
While challenges remain, such as perfecting the technology and addressing potential job displacement, the potential benefits of AI-powered construction are too significant to ignore. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is certain. The 24-hour AI bridge is a testament to human ingenuity and a glimpse into a future where AI helps us build a better world, one structure at a time.